How to remove See Insights and ads on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile. Tap on your profile again. So this option of to see insights and ads is possible only when you have a professional account. So you can see a professional dashboard as well. So when you tap on your profile and you post, you can see there are insights, but right now it's unavailable. But you get to see the insights and ads over here. Now if you want to remove it, simply what you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines beside advertise. Here you can see the option of turn off professional mode. So just tap on that, tap on continue, turn off, and as you tap on turn off, you can now just close. You can go back, refresh the page, and you'll be able to switch it to your personal mode, and you'll be able to remove See Insight and ads on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.